Pumpkins belong to the Cucurbitaceae family of plants, also known as the gourd. Pumpkins are actually fruits, not vegetables. They are members of the gourd family. This family includes other popular vegetables such as cucumbers, melons, and squashes. Pumpkins are native to North America. They have been cultivated for thousands of years by indigenous peoples and have since become a staple in many cultures around the world. Pumpkin is a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes, from sweet to savory, and has a long list of health benefits. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Pumpkins are a good source of vitamin A, which is important for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune system function. They are also a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect cells from damage. Pumpkin is also a good source of dietary fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion and can help to lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, pumpkin is low in calories and fat, making it a great choice for those trying to maintain a healthy weight. Pumpkins have been cultivated by indigenous peoples in North America for thousands of years. The ancient indigenous peoples of Mexico and Central America used pumpkins for food and medicine. They would dry the seeds, grind them into a powder, and use it to make a type of bread called atole. The ancient people of North America would also use pumpkins for food and medicine. They would dry the flesh and grind it into a powder which they would use to make a type of bread. Europeans first encountered pumpkin when they arrived in the Americas, and they quickly adopted the vegetable as a staple food. Pumpkins are a warm season crop that is best grown in the summer and fall. They require full sun and well-drained soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Pumpkins are typically planted in late spring or early summer, and they take about 90 to 120 days to mature. They are typically grown on a trellis or on the ground, and they require regular watering and fertilization. Pumpkins can also be grown in containers, making them a great choice for small gardens or patios. Pumpkins are a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes, from sweet to savory. They are often used in pies, breads, and soups. Pumpkin puree is a popular ingredient in many baked goods, such as muffins, cakes, and cookies. Pumpkin seeds can also be roasted and eaten as a snack. The leaves and stems can be cooked and eaten like spinach. Pumpkins have been used in a variety of scientific research studies, particularly in the areas of plant biology and agriculture. Studies have looked at the genetic makeup of pumpkins, how they grow and develop, and how to improve their yield and resistance to disease. Pumpkin seeds have also been studied for their nutritional properties and potential health benefits. Additionally, pumpkin extracts and compounds have been investigated for their medicinal properties, such as their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. There are many different types of pumpkins, each with their own unique characteristics. Some of the most popular types include jack-o'-lantern. This is the most common type of pumpkin and is typically used for carving. They have thick walls and are typically round or oblong in shape. Sugar pie. This is a small, sweet pumpkin that is often used for pies and other baked goods. Cinderella. This is a large, round pumpkin that is often used for ornamental purposes. Blue Hubbard. This is a large, blue-gray pumpkin that is often used for baking and canning. Pumpkins have a variety of uses, both culinary and non-culinary. They are most commonly used for carving jack-o'-lanterns during Halloween. They are also used to make pumpkin pies, breads, soups, and other baked goods. Pumpkin seeds can be roasted and eaten as a snack, and the leaves and stems can be cooked and eaten like spinach. Additionally, pumpkin is also used in skincare products and cosmetics because of its high content of vitamin A. Pumpkins are generally considered safe to eat, but in rare cases, they can cause an allergic reaction in some individuals. Symptoms of an allergic reaction to pumpkin can include itching, hives, swelling, difficulty breathing, and anaphylaxis. Additionally, pumpkin seeds, which are commonly consumed as a snack, contain high levels of oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in some people. Therefore, those with a history of kidney stones should consume pumpkin seeds in moderation. In summary, pumpkin is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that has been enjoyed for thousands of years. It offers a wide range of health benefits and can be used in a variety of dishes. From sweet to savory, pumpkin is easy to cultivate and has a variety of uses, from carving to cooking. However, people with allergies to pumpkin and those with a history of kidney stones should consume it in moderation. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content. It helps us out and encourages us to keep creating more videos like this one. Until the next video, we hope you have a healthy and happy day.